respected Dr. Preetpal Matreja sir, Professor and Head of Pharmacology Department, to share his views on the innovation and entrepreneurship part of the National Education Policy. We welcome you, sir.
Innovation and entrepreneurship, and how are they important for our idea from the first year? Okay, that's because we only go that particular word on what if they think it's not important for us, they will not get innovation or what any volunteers for entrepreneurship.
And
anyone else would like to give it a try? What is innovation and entrepreneurship? Anyone else would like to give it a try? The training and nurturing clinician innovators requires a fundamentally different outside the box approach that includes redesign of training curriculum as well as redefining mentorship structure, project support, and success metrics, including promotion criteria. So I'm concerned with these two terms that are there, and you have a basic idea about what these two terms are. So we just go by the two terms that are there in the dictionary and how they are defined in the dictionary, and then as time progresses, we'll be highlighting what they exactly mean. So,
innovation. The mobile is a technology which already existed, so we are just modifying it. So it's not invented, it's just modified. It is an innovation which came out like into a telephone, into a smaller devices, we can gather.
So, entrepreneurship further, taking it further down, what is it exactly mean and how we can put it. So, this is the spirit of creative risk-taking. Normally, generally what happens is our medical professionals, they are mainly related to have that like in our officer. That is the case of trying to come out of your medical science, go on restricting. So entrepreneurship is the act of again there is extensive use of artificial intelligence and capital value by realizing of with these to creative innovation, knowledge, skill and passion by managing resources. And obviously, whenever you are talking about entrepreneurship, there is a certain risk involved, and you need to take that risk. And whether that is a calculated risk or whatever it is. So now let's see how this particular process works. So the process works on certain opportunities that are there. These opportunities could be certain underlying problems. They could be certain hidden desires or maybe unmet needs. Then there are certain core competencies that are available, and these two things are interrelated. So you have a value generation, you capture the value, again go to the core competencies. So this is one thing that keeps on rotating, and then you have an impact that is created. This impact could be created maybe at the beginning, or it might take 5 to 10 years, or maybe more than that. So when we talk about this entrepreneurship in the global context, it is managed by 3 concepts, that is the environment, the economy, and the society. Planet, people, and profit. So if we talk about economic concepts, these are some of the economic concepts which are not going with you because as we into the health sciences, we don't like to talk about much about these particular aspects. The environmental context, this is where we need to talk a lot about. There are around 6 to 9 billion people, we have big mentioned full time, 50 to 70% urban, then we have resource depletion, we have global warming, all of you are very well aware of. The social context, in the social context, there is a division, and this division is between 2 words. Opportunities come to us the whole thing. How out of what an idea you can think of. So you need to work on problem, and this problem is somewhere related somewhere to the environment and society, and you look for an opportunity that comes somewhere between the society and the environment.
So one thing that has been created, maybe it might be true, it might be just an assumption, or it might be just an idea, maybe a leap of or a trickling idea that came into the mind of people, and that is how they could work on it. So maybe talking about venoms and poisons, that is how it was created. Looking into the heart, trying to create a pump. Looking into the incisor teeth in our mouth, trying to create a knife. And in the word of the song of the birds, we try to create it. So what was it? What was different? The difference was how these things came into existence was based upon a different concept or a different idea from a certain individual. Economic, where you have the revenue, the income, profitability, return on investment, stakeholder value. You have the social value, where we have all these factors, efficiency, art and culture, quality of life. And when we talk about our specifically our medical field, we would like to be more concerned with health and safety, we will be more concerned with quality of life, we will be more concerned with competency. Now I go with this is something core competency, something now related to medical. Even we are having not your graduate but your senior batch is having competency based medical education. There they have a core competency and a non-core competency. That means that there has to be a fundamental knowledge, ability, or expertise in a specific subject area or what that is performance. Or core competency could also be defined as something that one can do well and that provides customer benefits, is hard for competitors to duplicate and can be leveraged by many products and markets. Innovative ideas, nothing that is far from maybe if we say you look into some of the features in the social media regarding the ways of transport, we have coming up, transportation processes coming up, and all those things. So you'll find that there are a lot of things going on and people are thinking different.
There is extensive use of artificial intelligence, there is extensive use of machine learning. So without having the knowledge about the artificial intelligence, without having the knowledge about machine learning.
So the three components of creativity are the main element skill, creative process, and intrinsic task responsibility. What we call as and now going to relevant time for reflection. Then there is a time for idea generation.
In our
it is followed
literally talk about, even if you come out of your medical science and go on and see even an agriculture domain, again there is extensive use of artificial intelligence and machine learning. So with these
these particular and mind you, this is a like but you look for prior experiences, you record the data, you record data collection, you reflect, you review the method,
there was the need to
you look into the beneficiaries that are there, and is there any other. So these have been divided into 5 steps. The first step is problem definition. Used to explore mindset, to look at the larger issue. This is related to entrepreneurship, potency, and your company. Then to find the need issue of interest. The detective mindset was idea generation. This is the second step, where there is a brainstorming from a list of creative ideas. Imaginative, user mindset. That is, supply chain, a new business or industry, a new product. So a new process would be production method, having a new method of production. This was one of the examples of innovation. A new market, opening up like digital. Then a new supply chain using international air travel, new type of organization is implemented. A new product or implement is somewhere talk about is the mobile. This is a air project, and it is more of a funneling approach. Whereas when you talk about the open systems, you have research projects, collaborating with everyone, and having new market, you are even looking for new market, and you are also trying to obtain the current market. So the funnel project, the funnel area that we are talking about, that goes on, if this funnel goes on, uh, your revenues expand, your profits expand. That is when I do clear one, and something like stock market and how to and all the questions and
machine learning. So without having the knowledge about the artificial intelligence, without having the knowledge about machine learning,
who are there, and these 6 honest service I have taught them all that we know, and these are what why them to their end. These are the 6 honest men who are helping us in Canada. Persistence. How do you get it? Should you always persist and never give up? That way, the man will not stay on track. Then you will
like in our everyday time. Usually, we talk about, even if you come out of your medical science and go on and see even in agriculture domain, again there is extensive use of artificial intelligence and machine learning. So, with these
so they say India is passing through a point of inflection where startups are poised to create more job opportunities. We are, however, yet to see global tourism made in India. The progress is slow because most real-life problems are multidisciplinary in nature and require collaboration. First, particular screening devices such as those for diabetic sensors and glaucoma. This is being developed by one of the innovations that is there in the eye, that is Metic. So these are some, and then you have to require certain machines that is most common or most one of the major drawbacks that most of the companies or most of the startups in India are getting a continuous requirement. And at this particular moment in time, when I was taking this answer, I found that most of the startups that we have are benefiting the US more than India. So in the end, I would like to conclude my presentation with this particular question for all of you. What will be your part? Idea related to health science. Let's have it. मैंने आपको 3 मिनट दिया तो 1 घंटा होगा तो आपको बताइए. It might be vague. अभी हो सकता है पागलबंदी हो, but there should be a leak. Maybe we can work on it. बताइए.
डॉक्टर देवी शेट्टी.
बताइए बेटा.
Anemia in most of the women during pregnancy or in early stages. Like we can educate them or we can early supplement them with iron folic acid.
ये तो ऑलरेडी चल रहा है. ऐसा कुछ सोचिए जो आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स, इसके बारे में किसी ने ना कुछ सोचा हो सकता है. अभी वो आइडिया जो स्टार्ट करते हैं वो लोगों को पागल ही कहते हैं, उसके बाद में वो काम
डाउन में आए खाने टैबलेट्स देना.
एनी आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स आइडिया ऑफ कोर्स वेदांत आपके पास वापस आता है.
इसके कंटेक्स्ट में डाउन में आयरन टैबलेट्स देना.
Some catchy idea, maybe something related to your mobile devices.
सेंटर के लिए बनाया था. उसी जगह ट्रेन के कंपार्टमेंट का हॉस्पिटल के लिए प्री ट्रेन हॉस्पिटल के या क्लिनिक वहाँ पे बना के, और रूरल एरिया जहाँ पे हॉस्पिटल है ही नहीं, वहाँ पे स्टेशन है अगर, तो वहाँ पे जाकर वो ट्रेन और ट्रीट कर सकती है.
Okay. So you want to say you want to give mobile health services to all?
Yes sir.
Mobile health services regarding what? Regarding a particular disease or everything?
Everything in most cases, और अगर पैंडेमिक है तो for specific.
Okay. Then it is your job. अगर आप अभी से सोचिए कि कैसे कर सकते हैं और how you go ahead. Just think over it.
पोस्टर प्रेजेंट करते हैं.
बताइए वेदांत, अब आपकी बारी है. सुजाता ने शुरू किया. बताइए सुजाता. हाँ वेदांत, आया कुछ दिमाग में?
Sir, like the booking of the organs for the surgery before the surgery.
तो उससे क्या होगा? उससे एडवांटेज होना चाहिए ना. कुछ आपका कोई आइडिया सोचते हो, कुछ आना चाहिए, कुछ उसमें होना चाहिए. हाँ, this is something which is very
So there will be no shortage of the organ when the surgery.
जैसे कोई स्मार्ट वॉच में या फिर फोन में या ऐप में ऐसा कोई बॉक्स में डिवाइस या हम ऐसा कुछ बिल्ड कर सके जो पेशेंट का सिम्टम या फिर इन जनरल उनकी तरफ से बोल सके। फॉर एग्जांपल देयर आर पेशेंट्स जिनको ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं, न्यूरोडेजेनरेटिव डिजीजेस होते हैं या ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं जो रिकवर कर रहे हैं स्पीच प्रॉब्लम्स जिनसे उनका स्पीच नहीं है प्रॉपर। So if there is a device that can somehow relay our motor neurons and then be able to speak for them that way. For example, अभी कुछ हैं हमारे पास डिवाइसेस जो आई मूवमेंट्स को या बहुत थोड़ी मूवमेंट्स को रीड करके बोल पाते हैं, जैसे हम यूज होते हैं अभी भी, उससे बेटर हम कुछ बना सकें तो।
That's nice and very good. Punya.